Hi, how many times have you really bought or have you thought about buying a filter system for its quality, for its easy of installation and use, for its safety, performance, and photographic result? I think so many times. Well, now tell me, how many times have you really found all this in a product? HNY, a leading manufacturer of innovative systems for optical filters, has designed the KH100, a revolutionary filter system. Why revolutionary? How can it be better than the rest of the system on the market? Let's see in detail. Let's talk about quality. The filter holder is equipped with a structure made of the best materials on the market. Aeronautical aluminum alloyed for most of the holder, which has some very particular characteristics that we will see later. It is also equipped with a magnetic slot system that allows the secure fixing of the square filters, thanks to the constraint placed laterally. In addition, the bearing structure of the holder is fixed with two screws hooked to the adapter ring for your lens. Rings that are available with a diameter of 67, 72, 77, 82 mm. Also available are the classic slots made of high quality plastics and are also equipped with a plate bonding system if the filters were just outside of the 1.9 2.1 mm thickness standard. Now let's see something about the simplicity of installation and use. The KH100 is a system that presents several innovations in preview compared to all the other manufacturers. It will not only allow you to be installed quickly, but also to ensure a unique and unparalleled experience in any other holder on the market. Let's go to find out. First of all, the adapter rings are really thin and unique in design without any additional threads. This makes them independent of the wall filter system, but at the same time it will avoid problems with the possible block between the adapter ring and the polarization ring. On the ring that we will use, it quickly mounts the entire bearing structure of the holder that is bound to it with a double screw closer equipped with rubber pads. This prevents both the fall of the holder, both the partial release, but also the possibility that the ring could be scratched. On the upper part of the holder, we have a cover that, once removed, shows a real slot dedicated to the 95mm circular polarizer that is supplied. Polarizer that can be installed, controlled and removed at any time and independently from the rest of the filters by simply inserting it, rotating the appropriate wheel or sliding it off. This using combo polarizer or dedicated ND filters. Finally, we have the possibility to use the classic slot, but the holder is supplied with a ready-made magnetic slot system installed on the holder. All we have to do is support our filters with magnetic frames. From this moment we are ready to adjust the GND filter in height or inclination without having to interfere with the polarizer or combo or just ND. We just have to shoot. To remove everything, we simply remove the magnetic filters in use, replace the polarizer with the supply cover, remove the constraint, unscrew the ring. Let's talk about security. Unlike other holders with a single knob or snap-on locking system, the KH100 has a double ring binding system that allows the holder to remain firmly secured to the adapter ring, and yet adjustable by inclination without having to worry about hold the holder when the plate is inserted because they are magnetic. To increase the safety, it is advisable to tighten the dedicated knob. Even with the classic slots, the insertion and removal of the plates is really simple thanks to the excellent build of the slots. Furthermore, If the section dedicated to the circular filter is incorrectly facing downwards, the filter will not fall from the set, thanks to the double joint of spring-loaded metal bolts. Finally, thanks to the use of Corning glass 3 for G&D filters and the application of the magnetic frames, it is possible to avoid any fall, accidents and possible breakage. And finally, let's see something about performance and photographic result. HNY left nothing to chance, and thanks to the innovation proposed, we have a series of advantages impossible to find in all others. Let's start with the adapter rings. They are structured in such a way to have any filter as close as possible to the glass of your lens. This will limit the phenomena of flare, loss of sharpness and chromatic aberration. The combo polarization system doesn't alter the ND value of the filter we are going to use, things that happen on a system composed of two separate filters. But it doesn't end here. Once again we have a gain in sharpness compared to the classic filters with separate system. We have no strange color cast because it is a unique product. We have no strange polarization due to the overlap of multiple filters, ND. We will not have problems of light leaking. Moreover, thanks to the use of magnetic frames, we will not have any problem of light leaking on the edge of the filters or between the filters themselves. Moreover, G&D made in Corning glass 3 lend themselves very well to reproducing even the smallest detail, even using multiple overlapping filters, thanks to the very high stability of the filter in a great variation of temperature, and to the Coriani coatings present on all the filters on the system. Now, think. Have you spent your money well before today? HNY, redefining photography.